Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to clear or change saved credentials in Power BI Desktop. This is particularly useful when you need to update your login information or remove access to certain data sources, ensuring your reports stay secure and up to date. Let's start by opening your Power BI Desktop application. Once you have it launched, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find the File option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various settings and options for managing your Power BI environment. From the menu that appears, look to the left side where you'll see Options and Settings. Click on this to access the configuration area. This is where Power BI stores all your important settings, including how it connects to different data sources. In the next window, you'll want to click on Data Source Settings. This section is crucial because it shows you all the connections Power BI has established with various databases, files, and online services. It's essentially the control center for managing how your reports pull in data. Once you're in the Data Source Settings window, click on Global Permissions. This tab displays all the data sources you've connected to along with their associated credentials. It gives you a complete overview of your access permissions across all your Power BI projects. Now let's walk through how to change saved credentials. Start by clicking on any data source from the list, then look at the bottom of the window and click Edit Permissions. This opens up the detailed settings for that specific connection. Under the Credentials section, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to modify the login information. You'll be presented with authentication options. You can click Windows or Basic depending on your connection type. For this example, let's click Windows, then select Use Alternate Credentials. Here you can input your new username and password. Once you've entered the updated credentials, click Save to apply the changes. Now, if you need to clear credentials for a specific data source, the process is even simpler. Just click on the data source you want to remove access from. Then at the bottom of the window, click Clear Permissions. A confirmation message will pop up to make sure you really want to delete these credentials. Click Delete to confirm. But what if you want to clear all credentials at once? Power BI makes this easy too. Click the arrow down beside Clear Permissions and select Clear All Permissions from the dropdown. This is particularly handy if you're resetting your entire Power BI setup or transitioning to a new authentication system. Again, a confirmation message will appear asking you to verify this action. Click Delete to proceed. And that's it. You've now learned how to both update and remove saved credentials in Power BI Desktop, giving you full control over your data source connections. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.